Now we are going to start the one short lecture in control and coordination. So, in control and coordination, there are two systems: neural system as well as chemical system called chemical control. So we have to study today. So nervous neural control in neural system. So nervous system as well as endocrine system. So nervous system is divided into CNS, PNS, ANS. Now CNS contains two parts, brain and spinal cord. Brain is the diverse part of the CNS, and it is protected by a bone called cranium, and inside the cranium, brain is covered by a meninges called meninges, which is composed of dura mater, arachnoid and pyometer. So dura mater, outer and pyometer is inner membrane and middle membrane is arachnoid, and in between arachnoid and pyometer, CSF is present. So brain divided into three parts: forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. So forebrain contains optic lobes, cerebrum is the main part, and last one diencephalon. So olfactory lobe help in the smelling process. So olfactory contains olfactory tract and olfactory bulb. And the next one is cerebrum, which is differentiated into two parts: cerebral hemisphere, right and left hemisphere. Right and left hemisphere connected through the corpus callosum. It is a characteristic of mammalian brain. And so cerebrum is divided into four lobes: frontal lobe, parietal lobe, temporal lobe, and last occipital lobe. And frontal lobe, and these lobes contain various sensory areas like motor, premotor, Broca's area, Godic's area, association area, auditory areas, and visual area. These areas help in the different activity of the body functions like vision, motor control, involuntary control, speaking center, and below the cerebrum, a specialized structure, limbic system is present. Limbic system is association of amygdala and hippocamp area, and these help in the emotions, feelings, calmness, and connected with the hypothalamus, it's involved in the sexual behavior. So this is all about related to the forebrain. And for the next, midbrain contains optic lake and cerebral peduncle. Optic lake contains four lobes called corpora quadrigemina and connected through the cerebral peduncle and open into the hindbrain. Hindbrain, which is divided into three parts: cerebellum, pons and medulla. So cerebellum also differentiated into two parts: cerebral hemisphere, right and left, and inside it contains arbor cavity, and this is responsible for the coordination or posture or balancing process. So this is about cerebellum, and pons is just above the medulla, pons which connect, okay, present between forebrain and hindbrain, and supply impulse to the cerebellum. Next, medulla is the posterior part and connect to the spinal cord. Medulla center, which is cardiovascular center, respiratory center, pulmonary center, urinary center. These are the centers in medulla. And next is spinal cord. So a spinal cord is a tubular structure which rises the nerves and terminate into the center, which is called conus. Then there is lumbar and terminal part called a hair-like nerves called terminal filum. And now with the unit of the nervous system, neuron. So neuron is structured by unipolar, bipolar, multipolar, pseudopolar, and well as apolar neurons. So this is all about it. PNS contains uh, cranial nerves and spinal nerves. Anus sympathetic and parasympathetic nerves are present. So this is all about the brain. And next one is the synapse. So synapse connection of the nerve to nerve. So it is a connection of two nerves is called through the synapse. So in synapse, presynaptic and postsynaptic are aligned together, and in between there is this gap called synaptic plate where the neurotransmitter are which maintain the nerve impulse or action potential to the next neuron. So this is and conduction of neurons. So first we generate the neurons and generate first potential is called resting potential, then the probability of the sodium start depolarization, then probability of the potassium start from inside to outside, outside to inside called repolarization, and then this is this type of resting as well as action potential start. So this is all about the brain and the spinal cord and conduction, generation and conduction of the nerve cord. Next, the sensory organ, such as eye. So eye is the photoreceptors organ. Eye contains eye both, layer of the eye present. So eye both, which is covered by three layer. Outer layer is sclerotic, middle choroid, and inner retina. Sclerotic is the outer cortex, opaque layer, and at anterior it becomes transparent to form cornea, and above the cornea conjunctiva is present, and behind the cornea. So the other choroid layer is a vascular layer, blood vessels are present, and anterior to the choroid is ciliary body present, and ciliary to the small projection called iris, or in between two iris lens are present, or above the lens aqueous humor, or just behind the lens vitreous humor, vitreous chambers is present. So this is the structure. And in retina, a spot, two spots are behind the retina, two spots are present, yellow spot and blind spot. Yellow spot only cone cells present, and blind spot absence of both rods and cone cells present. So then, and then the optic nerve arises from the blind spot, and then the form the real image. So this is all about eye and defects of eye called changing accommodation, astigmatism, cataract, lens deposition, glaucoma, aqueous humors get increased. So these are the related to the eye defect. Next is ear. Ear is the photo acoustic. This is acoustic organ. Which is differentiated into three parts: external ear, middle ear, and internal ear. External ear contains pinna, which is emerged through a canal called auditory canal and open into the middle ear. Middle ear contains three bones: malleus, incus, stapes. These bones intensify the sound and move the sound in unidirection and reach to the sound so into the internal ear through the oval window. Internal ear differential through chamber. Outer chamber is called scala tympani, middle chamber is scala media, and inner chamber is called scala tympani. So in middle chamber, hair cells are present on the surface of the basilar membrane, and which is protected through the tectoral membrane. And in scala, base of the scala, vestibularly resinous membranes are present. These vibrations lead to the process and help in the hearing process and through the auditory nerves. And another structure which is arising from the median canal called semicircular canal. Just below the semicircular, two structures are present, ventricle and sacral structure, which help in the balancing process. So this is all about related to the hearing. So mechanism hearing start from the receive the vibration, sound vibration from pinna, and then propagate and reach to the middle ear and propagate through the three ossicle bone, malleus, interstitial, and it cross crash through the oval window and enter into the internal ear and vibrate the cochlea, where the basal hair cells which vibrate rest on the vascular membrane, and the mechanism of the hearing takes place. So this is all about radiosensory organ here. And next one, we are going to start the chemical control. So chemical control occurs through the endocrine system. So endocrine system is the system of the endocrine gland. Endocrine gland are ductal gland which secretes hormone. So hormone is the chemical messenger which always act on the target organ. There are various type of hormones like peptide hormone, amino acid derivative hormone, fatty hormone, steroidal hormone, protein. This is the various nature of the hormones. So this hormone which control to the whole. So there are the other hormones like thyroid, adrenal, pituitary, so which is controlled through the hypothalamus. So hypothalamus will secrete the factor like GnRH, like GHRH, PRH, CRH, PRH, PIH, which act on the anterior pituitary and release the anterior pituitary like hormones like FSH, LH, GH, TSH, thyroid hormone, ACTH, and prolactin, and then the gonadotropin so act on the testes to act on the Sertoli cells and Leydig cells to release androgen body-protein which help in the spermatogenesis process, and Leydig cells help in the testosterone process, testosterone which maintain the sex cells. In ovary, FSH and LH which form the egg, and LH which induce the ovulation process. And another hormone, growth hormone, which act on the liver and overall growth of the body, and TRH which stimulate TSH, and TSH which act on the thyroid gland to release thyroxine. So here is the thyroid gland present in the neck region, and thyroid gland and thyroid follicles which secrete T4 and T3 hormone, and under and above circulation which lead to the different disease like myxedema, cretinism, goiter disease, Hashimoto, and Graves disease. So hypersecretion of thyroid. Next hormone is the control through the CRH which is secreted from hypothalamus and act on the pituitary to release ACTH, adrenocorticotropic hormone, and adrenocortical hormone act on the adrenal gland. So adrenal gland contain two parts, cortex and medulla. Cortex release the glucocorticoid, medullalocorticoid, and sex corticoid which maintain the carbohydrate, protein, and fat metabolism, and as well as medullalocorticoid help in the mineral metabolism like sodium and potassium. And another medulla will secrete the hormone epinephrine and norepinephrine to maintain the, or it is secrete the stress hormone, so is released during the stress time. So this is all about the hormone. Another hormone posterior to release two hormone, oxytocin and ADH, oxytocin help in the contraction of the uterus during parturition, and ADH which maintain reabsorption of the water trace in kidney tubule or DCT. So this maintain the metabolic urine. So this is all about related to the endocrine system. So okay, thank you.